Can you get free Robux in Roblox on your mobile phone? The answer is actually no, you cannot get free Robux in Roblox. So if you go to your Roblox account, simply tap on this option onto the top side. And as you can see here, it costs money. Alright, so to buy the Robux, it costs money. So how the hell somebody give it to you for free? I don't know why you guys fall for these free Robux things, because the Robux is actually not free. Like the scammers will try to tempt you with the free Robux, and like they want to get the information out from you, like your bank details, your account information, your identity, like your real name, your account passwords, your Roblox account passwords, many more things that want to get from you. So don't fall for them, don't fill up any form from them, don't press on any links they give it to you, because those are totally scam. All right, so